Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Health Watch, where we tackle the most pressing health concerns in our society. I'm Papi.
I'm Toro, and today we're shining a light on an important topic that affects millions around the globe, HIV and AIDS.
It's crucial to address myths, stigma, and reality surrounding HIV. Let's get the facts straight so we can support those affected in our community.
The global HIV epidemic continues to be a significant public health concern, with approximately 39.9 million people living with HIV as of 2023. The annual incidence of new infections stands at about 1.3 million, highlighting persistent transmission risks across various populations. Now we go to you, Pintor, our reporter live on the scene.
Thank you, Papi. Today we're reporting live from local health clinic, where we have the opportunity to speak with Dr. Valenzuela. Let's hear what she has to say about this pressing issue. Good afternoon, Dr. Valenzuela. What can you say about this issue?
Thank you, Pintor. It's essential to discuss HIV and spread awareness.
To start, Dr. Valenzuela, can you explain what HIV is and how it relates to it?
Certainly, HIV or human immune deficiency virus attacks the body's immune system. It's untreated. It can lead to AIDS, which stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. With proper treatment, individuals can manage the virus effectively and lead healthy lives.
There's a lot of stigma surrounding around HIV and AIDS. Can you discuss how this affects individuals living with the virus?
Stigma can create significant barriers to accessing healthcare. Many individuals fear discrimination or isolation, which leads them to avoid testing and treatment. It's crucial that we promote a supportive environment where people feel safe to seek help.
That is a powerful insight, Dr. Valenzuela. Education is the key in combating misinformation that prevention measures all our viewers can adopt to protect themselves from HIV.
Great question. Using condom during sexual contact, getting tested regularly, and considering pre-exposure prophylaxis can significantly reduce the risk of contracting HIV. Education on this preventive measure is vital.
Indeed, we must work together to break stigma and make sure that everyone living with HIV and AIDS gets the support they need.
Once again, this is Papi.
I'm Bertolazo.
And Dua, bringing you the latest news. Together, we can make a